Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to use Notion Mail, a powerful new way to manage emails right inside your Notion's workspace. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have used Notions before, by the end of this tutorial you will exactly know how to set up Notion Mail, connect your email account and manage your emails efficiently. So grab your laptop and open Notions and let's get started. So actually you just need to understand what is Notion Mail. First, let's quick understand what Notion Mail actually is. Notion Mail is a new feature that allows you to send, receive and organize emails directly within your Notion's pages. It combines your emails with your task, notes, and projects, so you don't have to switch between different apps. It works with popular email providers like Gmail and Outlook, and you can even automate email flows inside Notions. Pretty cool, right? So we are going to setting up our Notions mail. Before we are going to create an account to set up Notions mail. So here you just need to create an account. You can go with this one, get Notions free. Once you click over here, then they will give us the options to create our account. So here you can think it, make it log into your Notions account. You can go with your mail address or you can go with these couple of options. So I will go with continue with Google options. It is a good to go options for me, that's why I choose this one. Now you will just need to select your mail address. Once you select it here, it will redirect you to the Notions dashboard. Here actually you can see this one, back to my content. If something went wrong, so we just need to click to the refresh. Okay, let's refresh this one, and actually you can see it, the whole page over that place. Just click to the inbox here. So now we are going to setting up our Notions mail. So alright, let's set it up. In the first step, you just need to be open your Notion workspace and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. So here you can see we are using our latest versions app here. Then you just need to click on setting and members. So let's find it out, settings, and just remove this one and just click to the setting. And once you click over here, then from the left side very under the integrations, here you will find out the options called integrations. Let's go and try to find it out. Here you can see this is the connections. So here you will find out workspace, then you have this member options. So here you can see these are the connections we already did. So from that place, let's go to this connection also, and let's click to the new collections over here. Let's click over that place. So here you can see we have couple of options like AI connectors, connected favorite tools to Notion AI, get answer and informations for your data. That's really amazing. So you just need to be find it out. You will find it out like Notions mail and click to the connect. Let's find it out, Notions mail over that place. So here you can see we actually tell Notions to give this answer, and they provide that Notion will currently support only Gmail accounts and Microsoft is not available. So we search for mail.notions, like we shifted here, and as you can see we are now able to connect our Google with the Notions easily. That is so much easy. So you just need to choose your email provider. It could be Gmail or anything. Then here you will get this kind of an interface. You just need to click to the connect to Google. Once you click over here, then a pop-up window will appear, and you just need to sign in to your email and grant Notions the necessary permissions. Once connected, Notion mail will appear as a new sidebar. You just need to select this one, click to the continue, and then select all, and just again click to the continue. Once you click over here, now actually it will be perfectly assigned with your Notions. Now you can create a dedicated email page in your Notion. So here you can see this is the actual things. Also I will click to the calendar and then click to the continue. So this procedure will be on the web process for you. So you just need to be processed with this one, and actually you can see I will click to the allow, and you will find out that your all mail has been come. So in like you can create a dedicated email page in your workspace, like create a new page, and you can already see that we already created an mail. So here you can find out that your mail template, if it's available now, your email will sync here automatically. So you are allowed to navigate Notion's mail. Now let's explore how Notion mail works. Inside your inbox page, you will see all your email listed like task or notes. Here you can see this one. Then each email is a block. You can click it to open full email. Let's click this one and you will actually get all these things over that place, as you can see it in the right corner. If you hide this, it will be hide. Let's click to this one and here actually you can see it. So at the top you will see filter like unread, then starter, sent and draft at the top. Let's see where is this one. So here in the level you are allowed to filter it, like click to the filter and here actually you will find out this one. You can also sort emails by date, sender or priority. To open an email, just click on it. You can reply, forward or achieve the email directly inside the page. You can also drag the email to another page or link it to a project, task or meeting note, which is super handy. Then you can send emails from Notions also. That's great, amazing. Like let's land an email right now. You just need to click over here in this button. Let's click this was compose a new mail. Just click over here. Then a new draft will open. Here you can add the receptionist email address and a subject and your message. You can attach files from your computer or link existing Notion page. When you are ready, you just need to click to the send and that's it. The sent email will appear under the sent filter. Let's add it here. Like and this is my friend email. I'm going to give it send. Hey, subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can write anything. Hi, I am using Notions, and just click to the send and it already done, and the sent email will appear under the send filter. That much easy the process was. So here actually we are going to see to the next step, that is organizing and automating our emails. One of the best parts about Notion Mail is how you can organize your emails like tasks. And for example, you can tag an email as to do, link it to a project database or set a reminder. You can also create filters to automatically move certain emails into folders or tag them with keywords. If you want to get fancy, you can use Notion's automations to trigger actions like automatically creating a task when you get an email from a specific sender. Next, we are going to give you a couple of tips and best practice for you if you are using Notion's mail. Like before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips that keep your inbox organized, like archive or tag emails once you are done. Then you can use linked database, like connect emails to task, project or meeting notes. Try templates, like set time by using pre-made email templates for common replies. Then you can stay secure, like make sure you are using secure connections and only grant permission your trust. So that's it. Now you know how to use Notion's mail like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next Notion tips and tricks. If you have any question, drop them in the comment box. I will happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.